Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove a watermark on TikTok. So here I'm going to show you to remove that using a third party. What you need to do is just find the TikTok videos that you want to save, and then you can click on the share button, and here just copy the link of the video. Click on this copy link button, and here you can use the third-party app. You can find it on the Play Store, or you can also use your browser. So in this case, I'm going to use the one from browser. You can just find a TikTok video downloader on your browser, and then just use between these options right here. For example, I'm going to just use the first one here, the snaptik.app. Now you can just paste the link of the video and tap on this download button, and if you scroll down here, this is the preview of the video, and you can just tap on download, and you'll be done. The video will be downloaded without a watermark. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.